Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to mute notes on Instagram. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phones. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to Instagram. Next, we need to click on your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Click on Settings and Privacy. And there's a tab here called Muted Accounts. Once we go in there, we'll see an account that may have ever been blocked. Let's say Posts or Stories. To do that, we select one of these accounts. And here we have a post, a history, and at the bottom we have mute notes. In order to activate it, we have to turn it off. You can also turn off history and posts. Can play with these settings that you go in to enable or disable. If you liked this video, be sure to write whether my solution helped you and whether it worked on your phone or tablet. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I'll be sure to read and answer. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.